yeah. Got the electric cord. There's the bus. Got a task today. Oh yeah. She's trying to catch bees. So today, I was really excited, and I showed it on my Instagram. I got this long tube in the mail. I was really excited. So excited I had to open it up right away because it's the piano hinge I had been waiting for. And it's a little bit longer than what it needs to be, but it's going to go right there. And so I'm going to cut it today. And this way then I will be able to, this will open and close. And then I'll figure out a way to, something to hold that in place. I'm still going to put a front on here, and that's going to be some of my storage down there. And I need to get one more of these straps to put across the middle. That way when I put a mattress on there, there'll be lots of airflow and stuff. It's nice and solid. Yeah. So let's get it. I got my tools out here. Got to set them up and everything. And yeah, so I'll do a little more filming in just a second. So before I get started on there, I also wanted to show, I recently got this tripod because I've got a camera inside that I'm practicing learning how to use. But in the meantime, it has a phone attachment. So I'm going to set this up so that I can record cutting that hinge, as well as when I start applying it. It'll make it easier. Continuous hinge. This is a 72-inch one because the others were too short. Okay. It's going to go over there. I need to measure. $59.5 inches. 59.5 inches. And where did the pencil go? Good question. Hang on. Emergency. Well, she didn't break. I just didn't lock it into place. So, life lesson. I'm probably a little oversafe. Unplug it. Try that again. Should have double checked it. Yeah, see, it's not staying in. It's not locked in place. Much better. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. Sandra, there's a bee trying to get me. She loves the bees. Sandra, there's a bee. Can you get that bee, Mom? She's like, nope. Oh no. The hell? Okay, hang on. Okay, I had to run inside and get this so that I can tighten this back up. It's okay. It's just part of building and learning. Now, let me get the rest of this cut. And see, I have a short hinge too. I don't know what yet. I'm sure something will figure it out. Alright. This inside. Before I do that, okay, so broke out the sander because I want to sand off, kind of sand around the edge of that, even though it's not going to really be seen, etc. But it doesn't matter. I don't want. Well, I am going to put a pad on that, so I don't want that getting scratched up. So, anyways, I'm going to do this because it's going to make a lot of noise. What's cool is I'm getting that little corner that I messed up on, just a tiny bit. All right, so I just cut it. This is the actual factory finish side, and this is the side I just finished, which came out pretty good, I think. Anyways, so hinge goes like this, yeah? So, and it's gonna go right there, yeah. It's end to end. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take a ink pen and make my little dots. Okay? Was I recording? Someone share something. Hang on. Yeah, okay. With my drill, I get this cute little tool. Okay, so I'm learning as I go, but this is cool because I can pick the correct bit for that screw so that I can pre-drill it. Even though it is like a wood screw, but I just want to make sure. I'll probably test one, see how it works. So according to this is, what is this? Let me look at it. 19th, 16th, no, it's probably upside down. Okay, 964, there you go. 964, let's check it out. Okay, so it's called pre-drill, and the smallest, I had one that's about the right size. It's smaller than the screws, but not as little as their suggestion. So anyways, let's see if I can get this going here. Okay, I'm going to finish this and then I'll reset. I'll do the recording. Okay, so 60 pre-drilled little holes, and then I'm gonna line up the hinge, which I moved over here for just a minute. And once I get it all lined up, then I'll start putting those little screws in, and this part will be ready. And then it'll be just trying to find the mattress that I need. Yes. Yay! And yes, I left a little overhang so that way I don't have to put a handle here. And look at that. Hallelujah! Oh yeah! Storage, whatever. Yeah. Yes. I apologize. You probably couldn't see that very well. So look. Yes, I apologize. So I'm going to also make something so that when I do lift it, you know, maybe some kind of spare board I have. Probably should put it here. I'm not going to open it that much. This storage is going to be like for maybe seasonal clothing, like when it's summer, but winter clothes, extra tools, you know, maybe extra stuff for my dog, etc. Stuff that I'm not going to need right away. I still am going to close this off over here and put a front face. Just haven't decided how I want to do it, or if I want it. Hang on just a second. Yeah, I haven't decided if I want to close it off all the way or leave it so that I can pull stuff out quickly, etc. So that's kind of where I'm going to stop at. I'm going to put all my tools away. I was just waiting on this hinge. Next I'll be, oh yeah, so those black straps, I'm thinking actually maybe I should get 2 more and then spread them out differently. I'm just putting that there instead of putting other slats. That way when the mattress thing goes on top, there will be airflow. So there will be a full mattress here and then something for the back end. I'm not sure if I'm going to put anything back there. Probably not. I've got shelves inside. I'm going to bring my shelves from outside, which are just boards on bricks. That's what's going to go there. And then I've got some other ideas. But anyways, let me see. Hang on. And so I don't lose anything, the small piece that I still have, which, you know, hey, maybe I'll make a small box or something, I don't know. I thought it was going to be big enough for the DIY compost, and then I put the little screws. But, you know, I'm not done. There's still a lot of things I have to do. Yeah, hang on one second. Yeah, so if you're wondering why I'm behind the camera, the phone, because I'm actually recording on my phone. I'm trying to learn how to edit, so I'm not using an editing tool yet. You hear that? I started the engine, letting her run a little bit. In a little bit, I'm going to move the bus around in the backyard. But so once you started recording on the phone, you can't flip the phone around. So all I can do right now is this. But anyways, thank you for hanging out with me. Right now, I'm going to try to do a quick little review of what I just did. So yeah, so I got that hinge. I put that on. I'm so proud of myself. Now this is ready, pretty much, you know. I'm still working on my closet, you know, mostly because I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the ceiling just yet. And I've got some ideas for my DIY composting toilet, which is going to go right in this section, kind of, sort of, right? So anyways, so I'm going to clean up the rest of my mess. I've got all my tools bagged up, etc. I'll come back up hopefully in the next day or two and share some more of what I'm doing, not doing. I also love to talk health. I do a lot of fermenting. I'm growing a few small herbs and stuff, which I plan on incorporating into the bus because I love to cook and I love to have tea and so forth and so on. I also do kombucha, etc. But I'm all about health. So if you're kind of curious, etc., ask me. You know, I've helped a lot of people heal their gut by making a few small changes. No diet, etc. Just making a few small changes, and I'd love to help you. If you're interested, just reach out. Everybody take a deep breath. Yes. Peace, love, take care. Thank you. And where's my Sonja? Hang on. She's usually... Oh, I don't know where she's at. She's usually right out here. Hang on. Okay, she is. There she is, right there. Hey, what are you doing, honey? Say hi to everybody. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here, sweetheart. Say hi to everybody. This is my dog. She's going to be traveling with me. Yeah, she loves the bus. She loves it. Whenever I say let's go out to the bus, she's like, boom. So, anyways. Thank you, everybody. Please like and subscribe and comment. Leave a comment. That will help me share more, share about my bus. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just learning as I go along. You know, and I'm in my 60s and I'm doing this all by myself, literally. If you look at some of the other videos, like I said, I'm not an editor, but trying to figure it out. I'm going to take all those little videos and try to make one long one, like from the day I got the bus, etc., etc. Tearing everything out, cleaning it up, all that good stuff. But in the meantime, thank you very much. I appreciate it, and I will be trying to be sure as much as I can. Thank you.